Green card, red tape, no rights, U.S. detains, 54-year-old legal resident over old charges. Cliona Ward is a 54-year-old woman who's lived in California for more than 30 years. She has a green card valid until 2033. She pays taxes. She raised a family. She cares for her chronically ill U.S. citizen son. She went to visit her elderly mother, and when she came back, she disappeared. At San Francisco International Airport, Ward was detained by Customs and Border Protection. Why? Because of criminal charges from the early 2000s, 6 cases involving drugs and theft committed during a struggle with addiction, all of which, according to her family, were expunged. But in the Trump administration's version of law and order, an expunged record is just a suggestion. It's not protection. It's a paper shield, and it doesn't hold up against the iron fist of immigration enforcement. CBP initially let her go so she could gather documents to prove her case. She returned to the airport with her paperwork. They detained her again. Her family hasn't heard from her since. She was allegedly fed goldfish crackers and ramen for 3 days because nothing says due process like cafeteria snacks and ghosting your legal counsel. Her son, again a U.S. citizen, is left without his primary caregiver. Representative Jimmy Panetta called the case cruel and unfathomable. DHS called it enforcing the law. But detaining a longtime green card holder over 20-year-old convictions that were cleared from her record isn't justice. It's vengeance with a press release. And Ward is not alone. Thousands of legal immigrants with valid documentation have been detained in recent months under Trump's mass deportation push. His plan? The largest deportation operation in U.S. history. Because when your approval ratings are down, nothing rallies the base like handcuffing someone at baggage claim. Ward isn't some national security threat. She's a mom. A caregiver. A woman who overcame addiction, stayed out of trouble for nearly 2 decades, and tried to follow every rule. Her detention is not about safety. It's about sending a message that under this administration, no one is safe. Not even the people who did everything right. Because we've seen this movie before. And in Trump's America, the villains don't wear masks. They wear DHS badges and smile for the cameras while they disappear your neighbor. If that doesn't scare you, this could be someone you know. Call and contact your representative's United States Capitol switchboard, 202-224-3121. Please like, subscribe, and stay angry.